Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about tennis elbow. Specifically, I will be showing you and telling you about some tennis elbow exercises for pain relief. And you should definitely try these first, and it will be an easy tutorial. So let's get right into this tutorial. I'll be going over 4 tennis elbow exercises that will help you relieve that pain, and it'll be an easy tutorial. When I was younger, and I'm trying to make this super easy as a tutorial because I want to make it as basic as possible. That's why it will be an easy tutorial step by step with 4 exercises. So when I was younger, I had tennis elbow, and I ended up relieving a lot of the pain and I got over it, but these are 4 of the exercises that helped me and I wanted to share them with you. So let's get into this. Number 1 is just get a rubber band around your fingers and open them up for like 10 reps. And you want to do these 4 exercises in a row, okay? And then you can repeat it like morning, midday, night kind of thing, like 3 times a day. So put a rubber band around all 5 of your fingers. Sorry, I have notes for all of my videos, and this is like I think this is my 18th video that I'm filming in a row, my 19th video, something like that. I'm close to 20 in a row already right now. So the ink gets on my finger because I'm always writing stuff down. Anyway, so without further ado, I'm going to stop sidetracking, just so you know why I have this ink over here on my finger. And I always have a pen in my pocket that's ready to write some stuff down for some notes for the videos. Anyways, put a rubber band around all 5 of your fingers and stretch it 10 reps like that. Stretch it out 10 reps. Very simple. That's the first exercise. Keep it nice and simple. The second exercise is just a grip exercise. So number 2 is to squeeze an object for 10 reps. So just get anything, like it doesn't even matter. Just get a can of beans, or it can be like you can get a shirt that you've bundled up or a towel and just squeeze it for 10 reps. That grip is really going to help you out to relieve that, to strengthen the muscles again, to relieve that tennis elbow pain and discomfort, okay? Exercise number 3 is to hold your hand out and palm facing down, and then use your other hand to stretch the wrist down for 10 reps. So it doesn't, it's your wrists that matter. So you don't need to be straight. You don't need for your arm to be straight or on an angle. It kind of doesn't matter that much, but I'll do it like this. Take your other hand now and just stretch it down, release. Stretch it down, release. Stretch it down, and fight your own hand. Like as I'm stretching it down, I'm using this hand to sort of push up, okay, for 10 reps. That's number 3. And then exercise number 4 is to do no weighted dumbbell curls. So like dumbbell curls, I'm trying to get up high over here so you can see a dumbbell curl. Let me adjust the camera angle right here so you get a better view. A dumbbell curl is essentially when you are going to be, it's going to look like this. So you're going to be curling like this. Very simple, right? You know, if you got the pythons. If you got the pythons, then you can show them off a little bit, right? Yeah! Anyways, all joking aside, my tennis elbow is completely healed, as you can see. Dumbbell curls will look like this, right? Usually you would have dumbbells, but when you have tennis elbow, you don't want to put too much weight on it. So you want to just do alternating dumbbell curls without any weight. So just flex it, squeeze, 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 squeeze. And because there's no weight, you're not going to be working your biceps. You're going to be really stretching out that elbow over here. And that's basically it. Those are tennis elbow exercises. Hopefully they get you some pain relief and relief from that discomfort. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.